Guys, you see this doorbell I bought? See this doorbell I bought here? Back in, my nan bought me back in 2013 from my clubhouse. It leaked acid and the doorbell stopped working. It was very fine when I got it, but then it leaked acid. And I managed to get rid of the acid slightly. It's completely gone now. But and I was wondering. I was like, I think this doorbell still works. Today, I was like, this doorbell might still work. And I was right, but then I was finding somewhere to put it. I was having a little bit of fun with it, and I dropped it in that blue pot of my clubhouse. See that, guys? You see? Is that blue pot? My finger's pointing. You see right there? That thing right there. I dropped it in there. It was full of water, and the doorbell still worked. But then, after pressing the doorbell, pressing the button on the clubhouse, which is the one to the left, it suddenly stopped working, which I'm very depressed about. Now, guys, do you want me? And I was very upset. I heard a little noise. I tried taking out my battery. I heard a little noise from it, and it just didn't work. So this is something I'm very sad about, guys. And this doorbell, I've only had it for 2 years. That's it, 2 years. And this doorbell is my youngster. He's a youngster. I only bought him in 2013. When I bought him for me in 2013, it broke. He leaked acid. I put in new batteries about today, and today I put some new batteries in it, and the doorbell worked. So that's just that, and for you guys. So yeah. Now, guys, the reason why I'm making this video, guys, is just to tell you that how upset I am with this doorbell. I tried taking out one of the batteries. They were both the same type of battery, same age, same type of battery. I took it out, put another one in, or taking out one of the batteries and put a new one in. Still didn't work. And it's something I'm very depressed about. Now, guys, the reason why I like this doorbell so much is because you can change the setting, and it's got a really nice little tune to it. And now on eBay, I'm gonna buy a new one. So yeah, and as you can see, guys, it's now time to throw this away. Here it goes. So there you go. It's now in there. Can you see that? And rest in peace, my doorbell.